What's up, guys? It's me, Travis Streeter. You know who I am. I am with
Jace Volume. You all know who I am. Yes, Jace Volume, aka Chef Jace.
Alright, basically what today's video is, it's a bunch of bloopers from our cooking skit called Cooking Time with Chef Jace.
Yeah, so, like I said, this is all about the bloopers, which the main reason why all this bloopers came in is because of, well,
our cameraman.
The one holding the camera right now.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, you will understand why the fuck I fucked something up, because someone
He's been laughing a lot through that whole entire experience.
Yeah.
Yeah, even though most of the crap that we did wasn't really that funny, I mean, but...
It was kind of funny, but not too funny.
It's just me, I laugh through things that they're fucking retarded of.
Yes, we know.
Alright,
basically, what the idea of this was, you know, it was a cooking skit. It was for our video coming up soon, Live from Fall River, Part 2. It's gonna be more laughs. We're gonna get a lot more people in it.
And I'm mostly gonna be in it. Most of the things.
And about that video will probably be dumb as it is the first one.
Yeah,
but a lot more better than the first one.
Oh yeah. We're at least gonna take more time with this one than we did with the other one.
Yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed these bloopers. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I will talk to you all later.
Peace. That was Black Wolf pegging you guys off, and us. Mostly us.
See ya.
How y'all doing it? Chef Jace here, and welcome to Cooking Time with Chef Jace and...
Assistant Chef Tim Scooter, sir!
Good boy! Thank you! Alright. Now one thing I have to say is... You see this plastic paper? That's there. Get rid of that shit! Paper motherfucker, please go inside!
Okay.
Hello people, how y'all doing? Chef Jace here, and welcome to Cooking Time with Chef Jace. With...
Assistant Chef Tim Scooter.
Good boy.
Woof.
Now, what we're going to be making here today is chicken chevre flat. Now, you see this plastic plate? Screw that. Paper plates is where it's at these days. No matter what. Now, the ingredients that you need to make chicken chevre flat is...
Stale cereal, motherfucker.
Really? Let's just do this until it's not funny anymore, people. Let's do this until it's not funny anymore.
Let me see that one at least.
Hello, people. How are you all doing? Chef Jace here. Welcome to Cooking Time with Chef Jace and
Assistant Chef Tim Scooter, sir.
good boy.
Thank you.
Now, you see this plastic plate? Fuck that shit. I broke that.
Fucking kidding.
Did I break it?
Oh my god.
Hello, people. This is Chef Jace, and welcome to Cooking Time with Chef Jace. Again, I am your host, Chef Jace. And this is...
Assistant Chef Tim Scooter, sir.
Nice to know that.
Thank you.
Douche.
Thank you.
Okay, now what we're trying to do here is chicken chevre flat. Now, you see this plate?
Get that shit out of here.
Exactly, we don't need that. Why? Because paper plates where's that, bitch? Now, the ingredients that's needed to make chicken chevre flat is...
Stale cereal, motherfucker.
Stop showing so much food! I stepped on the cereal. Too much food, guys. Don't do that.
That's what we're supposed to do.
At least enough food to make sure he doesn't laugh. Hello, people, and welcome to Cooking Time with Chef Jace. I am your host, Chef Jace, and this is my partner...
Assistant Chef Tim Scooter, sir.
I love the pain. Now, what we're going to be making is chicken chevre flat. Now, one thing I have to do is, you see this plate? Get rid of it.
Shit out of here.
Yeah, why? Because we don't need it. Why? Because paper plate is where it's at. I need my apron. Now, what what ingredients that's needed to use is...
Yeah, sir.
Hello people and welcome to Cooking Time with Chef Jace. I am your host, Chef Jace.
And I am the assistant chef, Tim Scooter.
Congratulations, Tim.
Shut up.
Screw you. Now, the one thing we're going to be making is chicken shibu fleur. So, you see this plate right here? Do something with this.
Get this shit out of here.
Exactly, we don't need it. Why? Because paper plates is where it's at. Now, what's the first ingredient? So,
Stale cereal, motherfucker.
pick it up.
All set.
Reese's Puff for some Reese's Puff goodness.
What's the next ingredient?
Teddy bear, motherfucker. You see this? Adorable. Next,
Spoon for spooning.
plastic spoon. And let's not forget some more grilled Hadcock Hancock. Chicken.
Chase's porn stash.
That's mine! Stop looking through my things!
See, I had that one.